One day, the king called his 3 ministers to the court and ordered them to enter the garden with a sack, and from there collect the various fresh fruits for the king. The ministers were astonished at this strange order of the king, and all of them grabbed each bag and entered the garden separately. The first minister tried to collect for the king the delicious and fresh fruits of his choice, and after much hard work, he filled the bag with the best and freshest fruits. The other minister thought that the king would not look at each fruit himself, nor would he see the difference in the fruits. So he quickly filled his bag with all kinds of fresh, raw, and rotten fruits without noticing the difference. And the third minister thought that the king would focus only on filling the bags. The king will not see what is inside it. Thinking this, the minister filled the bag with hay and leaves and saved himself from hard work. The next day, the king ordered these ministers to come to the court with their bags. When they came to the court, the king did not even open the bags and ordered them that be imprisoned in a distant prison for 1 month with your bags. The ministers now had nothing to eat or drink in this remote prison, except for the fruits they had collected. Now, the first minister, who had picked and collected the good fruits, he continued to enjoy his fruits. Even 1 month passed easily, and another minister, who had gathered all the fruit without looking at them, it was very difficult for him to eat rotten fruits. Fresh fruits helped for a few days, but then he had to eat raw and rotten fruits, which made him very sick and he had to suffer a lot. And the third minister, who had only hay in his bag, he died of starvation a few days later because he had nothing to eat. Now, you ask yourself, what are you collecting? You are currently in this garden world. Collect good deeds for yourself or bad deeds, whatever you want. But remember, when the king's order is issued, then you will be thrown into your prison, grave. You will be alone in that prison where you will have only your bag of deeds with you. So, what you have accumulated will give you relief or pain there. So today, with a little hard work, accumulate good things, that is, good deeds, and live an easy and comfortable life there.